In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero Error Code 401 quickly and easily. If you're seeing a 401 unauthorized error in Xero, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it only takes a few minutes to resolve. I'll walk you through exactly why this happens and the step-by-step methods you can use to fix it. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, let's understand what Xero Error Code 401 actually means. A 401 unauthorized error is basically a security handshake failure. In simple terms, Xero is not accepting your current login session. This usually happens for one of three reasons: your login session has timed out, your user permissions have changed, or your browser is sending an old or invalid security token. Because this is an authorization issue, the fastest and most effective fix is to force a completely fresh login. So step 1, go directly to login.xero.com in your browser. Instead of just refreshing the page where you saw the error, manually type login.xero.com into the address bar and press enter. Then sign in again with your Xero credentials. This forces Xero to create a brand new session and clears out any expired authentication tokens that might be causing the issue. If that alone doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to open an Incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift-N. On a Mac, press Command+Shift-N. This opens a private browsing session that ignores cache data, cookies, and stored tokens. Once the Incognito window opens, go to login.xero.com again and sign in from there. If Xero works correctly in Incognito mode, then the issue is almost certainly related to your browser cache or stored cookies. In that case, you can clear your browser cache and cookies in your regular browser settings, then log in again normally. Now, there's a specific scenario where you might only see the 401 error when clicking on Payroll, while the rest of Xero works fine. If that's happening, this is most likely a permissions issue rather than a session issue. Here's how to fix it. Inside Xero, click on your organization name at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then click on Users. You'll see a list of users who have access to the organization. Find your name and click into your user profile. Now carefully check your permissions. Specifically, look for Payroll Admin or Payroll Employee Access. Make sure the appropriate payroll permission is ticked. Sometimes permissions can be accidentally changed or removed, which triggers the 401 error when trying to access payroll. If you are the organization owner or have admin rights, here's a useful trick. Untick the payroll permission, save the changes, then go back in and tick it again. This effectively resets your payroll access and refreshes your authorization in the system. After re-enabling the permission, log out of Xero completely and log back in again to apply the changes properly. In most cases, one of these methods, either forcing a fresh login, using incognito mode, clearing your browser cache, or resetting payroll permissions, will resolve Xero Error Code 401. To quickly recap, a 401 error is an authorization failure. Start by going directly to login.xero.com and signing in again. If needed, use an incognito window to rule out browser cache issues. And if the error only appears in Payroll, check and reset your payroll user permissions under Organization Name, Settings, and Users. That's it. You now know exactly how to fix Xero Error Code 401. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero tutorials and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.